weather advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Tuesday. Wind chill warning remains in effect from 4 a.m. Wednesday to 1 p.m. Thursday.
Crap.
For the following counties in Ohio: Delaware, Franklin, Licking, Madison, and Union. What? Rain changing to snow tonight. Rapidly falling temperatures will create flash freeze conditions. Total snow accumulations of up to 1 inch expected. Dangerously cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 30 below zero expected. Winds gusting as high as 25 miles an hour. When? For the wind chill warning, from 4 a.m. Wednesday to 1 p.m. Thursday. For the winter weather advisory, from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Tuesday. Additional details: plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. The wind chill warning means the combination of very cold air and the wind will create dangerously low wind chill values. Frostbite can occur quickly and even hypothermia or death if precautions are not taken. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Winter weather advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Tuesday. Wind chill advisory remains in effect from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Wednesday. For the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, Hocking, and Pickaway. What? Rain changing to snow tonight. Rapidly falling temperatures will create flash freeze conditions. Total snow accumulations of up to 1 inch expected. Dangerously cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 30 below zero expected. Winds gusting as high as 25 miles an hour. When? For the winter weather advisory, from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Tuesday. For the wind chill advisory, from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Wednesday. Additional details: plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. A wind chill advisory means that cold air and the wind will combine to create low wind chills. Frostbite and hypothermia can occur if precautions are not taken. Make sure you wear a hat and gloves. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. The National Weather Service 8 to 14-day outlook for Central Ohio for the period Tuesday, February 5th through Monday, February 11th, is calling for above normal temperatures and above normal precipitation. Normal temperatures for the John Glenn Columbus International Airport for the period have high temperatures averaging 39 degrees and lows averaging 24 degrees. Precipitation over the 7-day period averages 0.58 inches. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 1.
Well, guys, guess what? I guess I finally received a winter storm warning. Guys, that's not all, guys. My tablet also, this morning, I was, going through my news feed. Suddenly, I received, let me find it. This is what I mean, guys. Look at this on there. As you can see, guys, that's what's happening, guys. That's what I don't want to see, because we rarely receive a excuse me. We rarely receive any wind chill warning, or wind chill advisory, or a wind chill watch, which I just received from last night, but not through my radios. So, let's see, guys. So far, so far I know, starting on Saturday, actually Sunday, as you can see, guys, it's going at 50, because we're almost through January, guys. January 31st. That means it's gonna warm up a little bit, guys. That means no more cold. So, guys. Anyhow, guys. Yeah, but I don't like the cold. I don't like it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And also guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.